Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of PCBs, specifically multi-layer PCBs. If you're building complex electronics or need a powerful circuit board, this video is for you. We'll explore what multi-layer PCBs are, their advantages, and how to find a reliable manufacturing service. What are multi-layer PCBs? Let's start with the basics. A printed circuit board, or PCB, is the heart of most electronic devices. It holds electronic components and connects them with conductive tracks. Regular PCBs have two layers, a top and a bottom layer. Now, multi-layer PCBs take things to the next level. Imagine stacking multiple regular PCBs on top of each other, with each layer connected electrically. This allows for a much higher density of components and more complex circuitry. There are several advantages to using multi-layer PCBs. Increased functionality, pack more features into a smaller space. Improved performance, shorter signal paths lead to faster operation and reduced noise. Reduced size and weight, ideal for compact electronics like smartphones and wearables. Enhanced reliability, layers protect delicate components and improve heat dissipation. Who needs multi-layer PCBs? Multi-layer PCBs are used in a wide range of applications, including consumer electronics, smartphones, tablets, laptops, gaming consoles, communication devices, routers, modems, network switches, medical equipment, pacemakers, MRI machines, X-ray machines, industrial automation, robotics, control systems, sensors, aerospace and defense, high-performance avionics, military equipment. Finding a multi-layer PCB manufacturer. Now, building a multi-layer PCB requires specialized expertise and equipment. That's where a reliable PCB manufacturing service comes in. Here are some key factors to consider when choosing a manufacturer. Experience. Look for a company with experience in handling complex multi-layer PCBs. Capabilities. Ensure they have the technology and equipment to meet your specific needs. Quality control. Strict quality control processes are crucial to ensure a reliable product. Turnaround time. Consider how quickly you need the PCBs delivered. Cost. While cost is important, prioritize quality and service over the cheapest option. Tips for working with a manufacturer. Here are some additional tips to ensure a smooth experience with your chosen manufacturer. Clear communication. Clearly define your design requirements and specifications. Detailed documentation. Provide complete and accurate design files. Collaboration. Work closely with the manufacturer during the design and production process. Prototyping. Consider prototyping before mass production to identify and address any potential issues. If you're looking for a reliable multi-layer PCB manufacturer, leave a comment below with your specific needs, and we'll be happy to point you in the right direction. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content on electronics and manufacturing.